Hello, I'm Matt Jordan and welcome to Retro Rolling Productions, or we like to call it Retro Rolling, the channel of the community for classic cars. Car meets, car shows, anything car related, photography, videography, all sorts. These Fords, oh my days, these are amazing. This was the NEC in Birmingham, the 40th anniversary. I'd never been before and I was absolutely wowed by this selection of Fords there. There were some beautiful cars there. Mark 1 Escorts, Mark 1 Capris, all sorts. But just check out the colour ranges on these Mark 1 Capris. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, and the condition of these is concourse. Close to my heart, the Ford Sierra. I own one myself, a Sierra 4x4. Not like this one. This one absolutely beautiful and had the most enormous BHP up it. Just look at the underneath of that. Absolutely, forget eating your dinner off that one. You could do surgery on it. This was a bit of an odyssey. That Sierra there was a bit of a showpiece. It was a cutaway vehicle, RS 500. Oh, touring car. Lovely. Oh, it's just drooling then. Beautiful car, my dream car, but wow. As you can probably tell, if you're a fan of my channel or a subscriber, I am Ford mental. So if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing, helping me to push along my channel to reach more people, because the more I grow, the more I can show. More stuff like this, more crazy Fords, car meets, race events, drag racing events, all here on Retro Rolling. So thank you for watching. I do hope you like this content and do consider subscribing to more like this. I've been Matt Jordan. I'll catch you on the next one and you take care.